Hello everyone. This video is a very small video, small instruction of how to make the questions for the midterm examination. This is for the teachers. Uh, Respected teachers, as you all know, we were making the questions before also. So likely, similarly, we'll go to our website, we'll type Google form and we'll go to the new blank sheet. How to in mobile phone only I'm doing. You can do in laptop also. Then go to Google Forms. It's very easy to do. You all can do easily. Now a blank Google form is there in my screen. You can name it as you were doing before also. Suppose I'm writing it demo for midterm. Okay, you can write it as maths exam or anything else. So now the setting first we have to change, as we all know that this time the setting will be with the email ID only. So setting I'm going so I'm going to setting. So here we have to click on collect email address, so that by default the email address the Google form will ask, and limit to one response, so that only the students can respond one time, and this will be without check. So we will not do anything with quizzes because this is completely subjective. So our work is with only collect the email address, then save. Okay, now by default it is asking for the email address. Suppose this is a question, or as you are writing name. Okay, this will be required, and your class also I'm not adding it, you know it already. Just I'm adding the question which is subjective. So add. So suppose this is question number 1. I'm writing it. Write 10 lines about your favorite teacher. This is the question. Okay, and this is subjective. What you have to do, you have to go to this options, and you will get an option that is file upload. So you'll have to click on this, then continue. Okay, now after clicking on that, some things will come like allow only specific file types. Yes, you have to click on that, and some types of files will come. You have to only click on PDF and image, because we want it in image either or in PDF. Others we will not allow. No video, no audio. Okay, then maximum number of files we can allow them up to 10 number of files. Then maximum file size 10 MB. We can extend it to 100 MB, and while changing it to 100 MB, we know that there are many more students are there. So total if there are 100, it may exceed from more than 1 GB. So you may change here also. You can change here from 1 GB to, you can change it to 10 GB and save the right, upper right. Now it should not be required. You will not click on the require button here. Here you don't have to click on require, because this is subjective and it is not mandatory them to do. They can do, they may do, they may not do. So this is all about this. Then normally this is already done. You have to go to send. Then you have to shorten this URL. You have to copy and you have to paste in the Google Meet. You will go to the Google Meet. Let me go. I have already copied it. I am going to Google Meet. Already you are in the Google Meet with the students. So suppose this is a Google Meet. Okay. And the chat box you will go and you will paste it. And you will send it like this. And this link, all the students can see that this link is here. Okay, this is all about how they will click and they will do. Okay, thank you.